Welcome to 1/6 Form College. We are here to talk about electronics at 1. My name is Saran. I'm one of the electronics teachers working at 1. Here is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Cameron. I'm one of the technicians here, but I also do some teaching. In electronics, we have a large dedicated lab. As you can see from the photo, we have lots of plug sockets in the lab. We have quite small classes, between 10 and 15 students. That means that we can dedicate plenty of one-to-one time with each student during lessons, especially in practicals.
Electronics is a practical subject. All our lessons are double lessons. So first part of the lesson is purely theory based, whereas second part of the lesson you're going to apply the knowledge whatever you have learned from your first part. We try to do practical in every one of our lessons.
Our virtual learning environment for the course is Moodle. On Moodle you'll find all of the lessons, so all the PowerPoints, all of the homework and loads of other resources that we've made. So everything's all in one place to make it easier to find.
We used two software for electronics lab. One is Circuit Wizard, another one is Pickaxe. Circuit Wizard is used to simulate circuits, whereas Pickaxe can be used to simulate circuit as well as writing programming language for microcontroller. We follow EDUCA's A-level electronics curriculum. As you can see, there are two components. One is Principles of Electronics and the second one is Application of Electronics. There are two exams which is at the end of your year 2. It is purely based on 80% of your whole A-level course, whereas 20% will be purely based on task 1 and 2, which you will do in your year 13.
We know most of you won't have done electronics at GCSE. That's not a problem at all. We don't assume that anybody has. Well, if you have, that's also useful. In your first few lessons, we start you off with very simple circuits like the ones below to get you started on building, and we talk you through step by step how to build until you're building complex circuits with little to no guidance. During such practical sessions, we often provide photographs and almost always provide circuit diagrams for you to follow. Another resource we've started doing more recently is by providing physical circuits that we've built for you to look at during practicals, and so we can demonstrate how circuits should work. Electronics is all about problem solving, so everything you learn is to solve a problem that somebody's come across before. So everything in the course has real world application, which is lovely.
Where you can end up after you finish your electronics A-level? Well, there are plenty of opportunities as soon as you finish your A-level electronics. One thing, you can do apprenticeship. Some of our students have done apprenticeship in the past, and you can end up doing any engineering courses, say for example electronics engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics engineering, computer science engineering, or even design engineering. You have plenty of opportunities as soon as you finish your A-level electronics course. Right, this is the end of this presentation. Thank you for listening to us. If you have any questions, please do email us. We will get back to you as quickly as possible. I hope we will see you in person soon. Thank you.